Top 10, we going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Got this Alex curve. That shit looks good, bro. It's my boy shit. We came to work on it. This thing is beautiful, bro. E90 M3, fam. Beautiful. Pretty sure. DCT. This shit sounds so good, bro. I think he just needs to install like a O2 sensor or something, but thought I might as well slide over, help him out. He hasn't seen the new whip yet either, so I'm sorry. I just woke up, y'all. I sound crazy. My voice sound raspy as hell.
Yeah, we're gonna pull it in up on the ramps, and while it cools down, I'll do the charger, the phone charger thing.
This thing looks so good, bro. Like even just the wider hips they give M3s is so nice, bro. Like in the back. I like
it's
it.
The flare fender wells. That's always
really nice.
Yeah, the tire fitment's perfect on this. Cut. I forgot the key.
Big toe only, bro. Come on. Look, stop.
Right there.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Got that big toe out.
You got like credit card class. That's the type of fitment you want right there.
This close to crashing out. The fuck, this nigga just put out a tablet, bro. What the fuck? No, that shit caught me so off guard, bro. What the hell? This nigga put out a whole book, bro.
Something slight, bro.
Yo. Alright, so.
That's why I got it, bro. I can't see for it.
Alright, so we're replacing this cigarette lighter pocket area.
Yeah.
With a wireless charger. We doing the wireless charger at Rolly E90.
Yo, I cannot even use this to charge my phone. Like if I plug the cigarette, like the little adapter for the USB in here, it won't even light up. So it's gotta go. And I don't
lie, yeah, weak, bro.
Yeah, I'm not into the
weak
cowboy
too.
killers.
Cowboy killer with
Like the cigarettes, I'm not really with that. So looks like we gotta pull up the shifter first. Pull up the trim piece here, and then I don't know why I have to pop off the back plate. Yeah, I don't know why.
probably extra power, maybe.
There's another cigarette lighter here, which is the one I use. So I think maybe it uses both.
Power from both.
Yeah. We'll figure it out as we go.
So I didn't bring any tools, bro.
What do you need, bro?
I didn't even ask you if you needed any tools, bro. Like I don't got shit.
You have everything.
You got a book as a phone, bro. What the fuck? Shit low key wavy. This side easier.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Disconnect the cigarette lighter. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it is one.
Yes, sir. Just like that, bro.
No cracks. 2008, no cracks. That's tough. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like with my luck, every clip would have cracked, bro. Yeah.
All right. Oh, 55 cents.
Hey, next time Wendy say 12.55, you know where to go, bro.
So out with the old, in with the new.
Facts.
So we took out the old smokers package. I've actually never been in the F series, bro. I don't think I've ever.
It's nice, it's comfy, bro. I gotta take you for a ride, bro. In stock, it's calm. You hear that shit too. Sports Plus one, bro. Boy got the new wireless. Pot and clean, boy.
I can't wait to try it out, man.
Shit look good. Now we gotta do the wiring and shit. I don't know.
What? Whoever this company's.
That actually looks like plug and play. Like,
Yeah,
it might. They be saying plug and play sometimes, but it's really not plug and play.
Actually, that should be it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the interior's pretty easy to tear apart.
Yeah.
So, unplug the existing cigarette lighter, replaced it with the adapter harness. This goes to the bottom of the wireless charger.
Yes, sir. Right here. This right here.
You keep the OEM existing plug, but they route the adapter harness to the back to plug into the rear cigarette lighter.
Yes, sir.
Which I get makes total sense.
Makes sense.
So now we can just plug in the new joint. So that existing harness up there just routes all the way back here and plugs in here.
Right here. Pushed it through there. Routed it all the way to the bottom. Simple plug and play.
If it wasn't for Korey, I would have lost the finger trying to pull this off. But
Them clips be clipping sometimes, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
they've been like this since '08, bro. They're not trying to.
This thing.
Is it?
Yeah, I didn't hear it click those. Yes, sir. That might be the way the wires sitting on this side. Oh no. Just gotta give it a little.
I'm just nervous, bro.
Yeah, nah, I feel you.
Yeah, I appreciate you,
yes,
dog.
sir. Yes, sir.
Make sure I don't start it, bro.
Tight.
Yo, tight.
Tight.
That was quick,
That's
too.
fire. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah. It does it like
Works perfectly.
immediately.
Immediately, yeah. Uh-oh.
It's right there too. With a hard fist, bro. That's it.
Alex just got the old sensor out. I think it's giving a check engine light for the sensor, so big toe only, bro. Type shit. Sorry, bro. I was looking at the auction too. A lot of them had no hump. Just for the car, I would have got the one without the hump too. Like, I wouldn't even care. Cause you can make this whole thing a screen.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've seen that.
That shit's tough. I gotta get some mirror caps too, bro. I might get the M style, the fake M boy.
I'm not trying to like flex on anybody. I just like what I like. I want to.
Nah, facts. I like the V8, bro. That V8 sound crazy.
Yeah.
That shit sounds so good. Upshifting, downshifting, bro. Downshifts. Like, bro. How could you?
When I went on the test drive, bro, I had no words for the man. Like, I was just like, got out. I was just in the driveway, just standing there, like, what do we need to do here?
Damn, bro. Like, damn, bro. You know, some calm shit, bro. That shit just sounds so good, bro. I need to get me a little exhaust on my shit, man. I'm gonna put the down part. I don't know if I'm gonna go high flow cat or not, though, bro. It's a daily. Then again, like, I really don't care. Like,
I said the high flow just for the
smell.
But if you don't care for real,
I already got a full straight pipe, like not a race car, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I don't really need no more gas stench on my clothes and shit. I feel like the BMW better sealed than the Honda though, for sure. So it wouldn't get in the interior as much, but
That's a fact, yeah. No, these cars are way better sealed. I can tell just by like the road noise.
Mm-hmm.
It was great.
Yo.
Nothing either. Like,
I know, bro. It just sounds so good.
oh my god.
Bro, last time I was with Alex, bro, I bought a BMW, bro. I bought a BMW like a couple weeks after I was with this, bro. I can't be around this, bro. God damn.
One thing though, I won't kill you, I promise.
Nah, yeah, it's good. I hope so, bro. And I feel like the DCT matches so perfectly with this engine, bro. This platform is made for DCT, bro.
I owe you another test drive.
Nah, you good. Don't even push it today, bro. You good, bro.
It's coming down, bro.
Yeah, it's clean, bro, right? For 100K miles, bro. Clean, boy. I'm saying? My fault, bro.
What's happening, bro?
My fault, yeah, I'll be hungry, bro. Yeah, bro. Just gotta eat, bro. You know, just go put that in the back for now.
Respect it.
Yeah.
You had to be like a ornament.
It's like a quick meal, bro. Chill. Instead of ornament. How we do this Bmw shit, so
this is just like the OBD2 adapter.
Yeah.
So you could Bluetooth connect it to your phone. Okay, so you plug that into your OBD2 port, and I'll connect up to.
I don't even know where my shit at. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna feel for that shit, though. Heck yeah.
So if it's plugged in, you just connect.
How much was the
I
app?
think it was $30-$40. The adapter, I think it was like $60-$70.
Okay, I need to buy the adapter for tuning though, for sure.
I'm coming from Hondas, bro. Never.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Man,
On the
26
phone.
computers, bro.
This car got 26 ECUs?
For what?
Nah, there's no way.
Alright, so after reading 26 computers,
Tight.
you can see everything that you got to work with. Everything from the seat belts down to outside sensors.
Seat module draw. Let me see.
Yeah, good.
Real quick, man.
You can drive, bro.
Let's see that, man. Advanced car safety. Over here coding it with Rolly's phone. I just coded out the seatbelt chimes and the seatbelt reminders. Now I went into the front electronic module. I forgot what this got to do with. I think auto start stop. I'm gonna turn that off for sure. That shit's annoying. Every time I hop back in the car, it turns back on. That's very annoying. Car shouldn't be shutting off at a red light. Kind of crazy. Auto start stop function off by default. Active. Save. You can change the temperature level of the fucking heated seats.
That's crazy.
What the hell? Hold on, let me look at these. I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna be right back, yeah. Shit. Probably because I coded out the fog lights. Warning chime, BMW warning chime, Rolls Royce warning chime. What that shit sound like? I'm in a Rolls Royce. In my head, bro. Fuck it. Nigga, shut the fuck. She got 103,000 miles already, bro.
Aging like fine wine, bro.
It's tight shit. I never had a car with this amount of miles, though. I don't even know how much my Civic has, though.
For real?
I don't, bro, because after I built the transmission, the gears are off, so.
Right here.
I missed it.
You missed it, bro.
Nah, we gonna do that again. I got a deal.
The Civic doesn't have like the mileage on it?
It does, but it says like 79, but I know it's more than that because the gears in it are off. The gears are taller. And that was tough. I saw the M. Shit. USA, Great Britain. I want to be bougie, Great Britain. What's good, you guys? It's the next day. I don't know why the fuck I just did that. Grown ass man. I'm too old for that shit. My fault. Before it starts raining, I just want to show you what we programmed in with Bmw. We got the folding mirrors now. So now when I lock the car, mirrors fold up. Unlock the car, mirrors unfold. That shit tough, I'm not gonna lie. Sheesh. And then we got the Great Britain alarm system. Let's see if we can trip that shit off. What does it take for that shit to go off? Like, what I gotta do? I'm not gonna break my window. We made the unlock and lock sound a lot louder. so I can find that shit in the parking lot, because I'll be forgetting where the fuck I park every single time. When I leave the car, I set up the seat to go back 70 millimeters just for easier access to the car, because I'm not gonna lie, the seat be kind of close to the steering wheel. That's a really cool memory setting you could do in Bmw code. Fuck this shit, I'm out. So that's what happens when I'm about to get out the car. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. Should I use a alias name? I said alias.
I don't know. I don't really have one. Oh, for me?
Okay. Yeah, bro. You could do anything you want right now. You got free will, bro.
I've been going by Rolly, bro.
You like Rolly?
Yeah.
I bet. Cowboy Killers. This is the first time I ever heard someone say that. Okay. I did play Red Dead Redemption. And he did die from tuberculosis.
One time I went to see my friend in Ocala, and it was like an hour drive. And when I left his crib, I was like, putting in the address, I seen 1%.
That
bro.
GPS.
On my phone, bro.
Anxiety, bro, the whole trip. I don't know where the hell I'm going, bro. I would have been in New York.
Anything over 3K, we going down.
Nah, type shit.
Like, it was raining like this, and somebody pulled up next to me in like an M4 or something. They show him, and I was like, you want me to touch up every car on this road, bro?
It's a tip.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy